So hello, good morning, this is Olaf again, and today I'm going to talk to you about a nifty little trick that can help you to find images and photographs on your devices much quicker than usual. It happened, well, one night I was talking to my aunt, and she asked us about our pets, and we have a couple of dogs and cats, and one of them specifically, she asked how he was doing. So I said, well, I'll send you a couple of images later. And that night I was looking on my phone and trying to find some images, and I thought this cannot be the case that I have to scroll back and forth into my 2000 something pictures of cats and dogs and myself and my girlfriend. So there must be a better way, and obviously there is one, but I wasn't familiar with it. So I want to share this discovery today with you guys, and it's very easy. Maybe you already know it. If so, never mind. If you don't, this could be a great time saver. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, comment, etc. And that would be very nice. I would be very grateful for that. All right, so how do we do this? It's the same on iPhone, iPad, Mac, as well as Windows and Android. They all have their own specific Photos apps that you can use. So, for example, on an iPhone, you can use the native Photos app. So on the iPhone or iPad, just go to Photos, and you can see already there are categories in there. So I can say dogs, for example, and you will see a lot of dogs. But you also have moments, you have categories again, and you could have even things like December, as you can see. So it's very easy to just check for the photos that you are looking for. You can also use Siri to say something like search for cats in the Photos app or something. That is very easy to do on the iPhone and iPad and the Mac as well. And on the Android, or in this case on my desktop, you can use Google Photos, for example. So in this case, you can see that it opens, as you can see in this long time ago, I had to lose some weight, as you can see. But here it already suggests you can look and search for Sweden in this case, or some favorite images of people that I have, or images in regions that I've been to. But in this case I'm going to look for dogs, and in Dutch that would be hond. So I will look for honden, and as you can see, moose is this brown one. I can find the nicest images in seconds. But as you can see, it will find all kinds of dogs. This used to be our border collie, and these two are our current dogs. But it works with cats as well. So in Dutch I can take cats, and I get all kinds of cats that we have images of. And even if I choose me, in this case in Dutch that would be mij, then you see these are all images of me and or my friends and girlfriend. But I could also click one of those where you see that Odette is in the images, in this case with our cat. So it's very easy to look up your specific things in seconds. But I could also say Sweden. This is an album, but I can choose location Sweden, and then you will see images of Sweden. You can do the same on Apple, as I said, and Microsoft, it doesn't matter. On your Android phone, iPhone, iPad, they have all their native apps. And in this case, instead of scrolling for hours, I can find these images in seconds. So this would be my tip for today. Again, if you like this, please share, comment, subscribe, etc. depending on the platform you're on. And please tag me, Olaf the Tool Finder, or Tool Finder. And that would be very nice, and I hope to see you in the next tip.